why are we doing this? Like I had like a bleh moment. And then you said this is the point where we surrender and someone else is holding us, and that's leadership. That's where we need to go.
Right. Because true leadership is actually recognizing when we have to be pushing and moving forward, or when we have to pause and allow somebody else to do it for us. That is what true leadership is. That is
Mhm.
what feminine leadership is. It's not being the boss and I'm in charge. That's a hierarchy. There's a difference. That is not leadership. Leadership is actually being in a place of the feminine, recognizing who needs to be the energetic torch carrier. And so
Mhm.
what you were demonstrating in the beginning of the progressive relaxation, the induction is what I call that, um, in the hypnosis session, is you're bringing yourself down into a surrender, right? It's submitting, which is a scary word for us women, but it's safe when it's in a feminine space. Completely surrendering and allowing yourself to feel held. And we had to do that in phases in order for it to feel safe, because when in our society is it safe to surrender or submit and be held?